Your future self hates you right now. Not because you failed, but because you never tried, not because you lost, but because you never even showed up. Every wasted scroll, every late night with nothing done, every "tomorrow I'll start," that's the reason he looks back at you with anger. Close your eyes and imagine this. 5 years pass and nothing changes. Same room, same job, same excuses. You wake up and realize you've been sleepwalking through life, and the worst part? You had time, you had chances, you had ideas, but you let them die. That's why your future self hates you. Let's be honest. You wanted to get fit, but you didn't. You wanted to start reading, but you didn't. You wanted to create music, YouTube, business, but you never took the first step. Instead, you watched other people live the life you wanted. You consumed their content, while your own potential collected dust. Every day you wait, you dig a deeper hole. Discipline doesn't appear overnight. Skills don't magically show up and money doesn't fall from the sky. Your future self pays for every day you waste, with fewer opportunities, with weaker habits, with regret that never leaves. But listen carefully, this isn't just about hate. Your future self is also begging you to wake up, to stop scrolling, to take back control. Because it's not too late, not yet. Everything changes when you stop betraying yourself. Read 5 pages, do 20 push-ups, work 30 minutes on that idea you've been avoiding. Tiny steps, done daily, become massive wins. That's how success is built, not in one night, not in 1 week. But in silence, in focus, in persistence. Now picture this. 1 year from today, you look back, and you're proud, stronger body, sharper mind, project started and results showing. Your future self smiles. Not because it was easy, but because you finally chose discipline over excuses. Your future self is watching you right now, and he'll either hate you for wasting this moment, or thank you for finally standing up and building. The choice is right here. So stop scrolling, stop waiting and start. Start today.